Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free PMI CPMI certification course and cognitive project management in AI training. So this is the 100% free PMI and CMI certification. Learn AI project management. Unlock the power of AI-driven project management with the Imagine free course from PMI Project Management Institute, and level up your career by learning the globally recognized CPMI technology designed for AI project delivery. So what you will learn on this project? So why AI project fail and how to prevent it? 6-page CPMI framework for the AI project course, data driven project delivery techniques, real business use case in AI, learn earn 3 PDU absolutely free, and who should join this course? So project manager, PMO teams, data and AI professionals, IT leaders and tech enthusiasts, any building a career in AI plus project management. So why this course is game changer? So designed for the PMI global project leader, and learn modern AI plus PM skills on just 1 hour. Perfect first step forward PMI CPMI certification, and boost your job opportunity in today AI driven world. So enroll free on this URL. This is the URL. We'll open this URL. So this is the project management studio, and free introduction PMI certification professional in managing AI PM CPMI. So offered by PMI, explore AI project management and CPMI methodology on this preview of the CPMI and certification path. So course is English, and this the price is zero and can get access. You can go through that, and there is a free 3 PDU is there. Course duration is 1 hour. Associated certification with PMI, CPMI. So overview is there, and what you will learn, you can go through this, and work wage of working, 3 skill power is this. So all the details you will get. So now we'll go in through the get access. So click on get access. So welcome to you log into your PMI account to continue. If you are the new user, then go through the your create your new free account, and if you already registered with that, then go through this. If you forgot, then you can click on the forgot username or forgot password. So click on the create a free account. Give your name. Okay. So I've given the password. Then receive update. So this is optional. I'm going to leave this one. Read and term and condition. So click on register now. You can click with the Google account also. For the verification code, we'll send you the verification code or your Gmail account. Let me open my Gmail account. 7, okay, not 7, 6, 6, 4, 6, 4, 9, 8, 9, 5. So click on the continue. So success. Now I'm going to redirect. So this is the course. So unlocking new insights. So done. You have the unlock access to a free introduction PMI certification professional in management AI and click here. So the content is loading. So you can click on the start course and you can go step by step process. So that is a start course. So click here.
Before you begin, choose your experience. This course offers 2 different learning modalities.
So go one by one, step by step. So get started and go through that. So in this video, we have learned how to get 100% free PMI CPMI certification course and step by step process I have shown to you. This is the URL. You can go through this URL and follow the process shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues and help them to get certified too. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Subscribe to my channel for more free certification tutorial and courses and learning content. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Thank you.